responsible for? These bulliform cells are responsible for what action in the leaves? So bulliform cells are definitely responsible for curling. So it is inward curling of leaves in monocots. Okay. So for an explanation, if you see in grasses, certain epidermal cells, okay, certain adaxial epidermal cells which are present along the veins, okay, modify themselves into large empty colorless cells, okay. They become large empty colorless cells. These are called bulliform cells. When the bulliform cells have absorbed water and become terzate, this leaf is exposed like this. This leaf is exposed very well. When they become large and empty with no water, they get curled towards inwards like this. So it helps in inward curling of leaves in monocots. Understood? If they have water and if they are terzate, then they are like this. If they become large, the cells become large and without water, these bulliform cells curls the leaves inwards, right? Because of water stress. Okay. Next, which one of the following is not an criteria for classification of fungi? So to classify fungi, first, mode of nutrition. Let's see. Mode of spore formation. Yes, mode of spore formation and fruiting bodies are very important in division of fungi. Okay, how the spores are formed, how they reproduce, and also the morphology of mycelium. Yes, it depends on mycelium. And the classification is not on the mode of nutrition, because the mode of nutrition the fungi has is also same for others. So particularly taking the mode of nutrition, the criteria is not given for fungi. Okay, only these are clearly considered. Next, tropical regions show greatest level of species richness. So the species are mostly present in tropical regions. Why? Let's see first one. Tropical latitudes have remained relatively undisturbed for millions of years. Hence, more time was available for species diversification. Yes, as tropical latitudes are not disturbed, the species are not disturbed. They can be easily get diversified, right? Without any disturbance. Next, tropical environments are more seasonal. No, tropical environments are less seasonal. They are not like temperate ones. They are less seasonal. So this is wrong. More solar energy is available in tropics. Yes, available. More constant environments promote niche specialization. Yes, and tropical environments are constant and predictable. Yes, as B is wrong, you can see definitely the answer is fourth option. Okay. Which of the following is an example of actinomorphic flower? Which is actinomorphic flower? Datura. Okay. Datura is an actinomorphic flower, and all these three are zygomorphic. Okay. Identify the type of flowers based on the position of calyx, corolla, androecium, ovary. Okay. So what is this type of flower? First, let's see. If gynoecium is situated in the center and other parts are on the rim of thalamus, almost at the same level. Okay, so this kind is perigynous. Okay, perigynous. So this is perigynous. And next, both the diagram shows peridymous condition only. This is also situated at the rim of thalamus and the gynoecium is at the center. So this is also perigynous. So both are perigynous is third option. Next, match list 1 with list 2. So nucleolus. Which is nucleolus is a site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis, right? Nucleolus RNA synthesis occurs, ribosomal RNA synthesis occurs, right? Next, centriole. So centriole, both the centrioles lies perpendicular to each other, right? So what happens? They look like a cartwheel. So organization like a cartwheel. Leucoplasts. What do leucoplasts do? Leucoplasts for storing nutrients. So C is 4. And Golgi apertures for glycolipid. Golgi for glycolipid. So 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1. So here the options are wrong. So 3, 2, 4, 1. Next. What is the false fate of a piece of DNA carrying only gene of interest which is transferred into an alien organism? The piece of DNA would be able to multiply itself independently in the progeny cell of organism. No, it is not independently multiply. It may get integrated into the genome of the recipient. Yes, it can enter the genome. It may multiply and be inherited along with the host DNA. Yes, the alien piece of DNA is not an integral part of chromosome. Wrong, it is an integral part. It shows ability to replicate. No. So only the DNA carrying only gene of interest, that piece DNA carrying gene of interest transferred to an alien organism may enter into the genome and can multiply and inherited along with host DNA. Okay. So only B and C are right. Next. Hint 2 always cuts DNA molecules at a particular point called recognition sequences. Yes, okay. And it consists of what? The hint 2 whose functioning depends on specific DNA nucleotide. It cuts at particular specific DNA nucleotide. Okay. So it was found after seeing this specific DNA, they found that hint 2 always cuts at particular place. So that place are having 6 base pairs. 6 base pairs. Okay. After each 6 base